And this is Alex trying to open up the bird food.
Think about what that was.
Keep it out in the wilderness too long. I could eat program you.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Look amazing, by the way. Better than the other day, right?
Mitchell,
What? I just said you look amazing.
thanks.
You gotta admit, this is a lot more civilized than hanging out in a barn, right?
You might not want to trash the place when we're trying to celebrate.
And it's a solid piece.
Oh, there he is. Mitchell. Mason. Mason Richards. Jules Cooper. Ms. Cooper.
I don't know if Mitchell mentioned it to you, but I'm very familiar with Christmas Land. I took my own family there years ago. It truly is a marvelous place.
And your grandmother was the owner?
Yes. Yes, she was.
And Alex just dropped it. Wow, good job. Very, very good job.
But don't you at least want to see it first?
Don't need to.
At least say
Why don't you
something.
tell me how this sounds. I'm willing to pay you $1.7 million right now. Provided.
You're not there. There we go. Yeah, guys. He is gone.
Now, you
He's gone.
can start your lives out right.
So, goodbye.
Mitchell tell you how
Leave a like, subscribe,
You didn't have to.
what I mean.
leave a comment
Richards is.
on this video. Bye-bye.
This is my